Welcome back, everyone. So today is Monday, the 20th of April. So I'm just going to show you another one or two objects or symbols for you to insert into your document. Okay, so already today I have sent you a short tutorial and some worksheets that relate to inserting a header and footer in your document, along with inserting a page break. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a symbol into your document. Okay, so I'm just going to increase my font before I begin to maybe 28. It's just going to make it easier for you to see some of the symbols, because if the font is relatively small, then the symbol will also be quite small. Okay, so to insert a symbol, I go to the Insert tab. And in here, you'll see we've already looked at page break. We've looked at a header and a footer earlier today. So I'm now going to have a look at inserting a symbol for you. Okay, so in the worksheet that I have given you, you'll notice that I have given you a list of words, and I would like you to try and see, can you replace each word with its symbol instead in the work that you're going to return to me by email. Okay, so to access the symbols, I'm just going to click on the drop down. Now, in the drop down here, you'll see that these are symbols that I have used most recently. So symbols usually are additional symbols that you won't be able to locate on your keyboard. So they're in this area instead. Some that are on your keyboard are in this area also, but it's usually when you're looking for a symbol for your document that you can't find elsewhere. Okay, so as these are in here because I've used them already, that may not be the case on your laptop or your computer. If you haven't used them before, they won't maybe appear in your drop down. So if I'm looking for a symbol, I need to look for them in More Symbols. So I'm just going to click on More Symbols. Okay, so most of what I've asked you to look for in the worksheet will be located in the font known as Normal Text, or in a font called Wingdings. Okay, so Wingdings and Wingdings 2 and 3 are where you will locate probably the majority of the symbols you'll ever be looking for your documents. Okay, so just as the first example, I'll show you, I've asked you to insert the telephone symbol in place of the word telephone. So I'm going to click on that and I'll click Insert. I'm just going to close this for a moment because I want to just tab down below this symbol before I insert the next symbol. The next symbol I'm going to get you to add in, if I go to More Symbols and I'm still in the font Wingdings, I think I've asked you to insert the symbol for the word file. Okay, so I'll click on Insert. I'm just going to close again and come down below that one. Okay, so the next symbol, I think I've asked you to look for an envelope. So you can either do the back of the envelope or the front of the envelope. I don't mind which of those you send me. For this example, I'm just going to use the back of the envelope and I'll say Insert. Okay, so there's our telephone, our file, and our envelope symbol. I'm just going to hit return again just to get the cursor down to where I want it. Okay, so the next symbol that I'm going to get you to add for me is a clock. So you'll need to scroll down to locate the clocks. And I think I've asked you to insert a clock for me showing a time of 1 p.m. Okay, so we'll say Insert and we'll close. So sometimes if you wanted to, maybe if you're writing up a flyer or a poster advertising an event or something, you might like to put in a little symbol and say the time of this event is, you know, from 5 till 8 or from 1 till 2. If you have any questions and you want to contact anyone in relation to this event, you can put the little telephone symbol and follow that then with the person's phone number. Okay, so I'm just going to show you also, if I go back to more symbols, you will also need to find some of the symbols that I've sent you in the worksheet in here in special characters. I'm just going to show you one from in here. So I've asked you to insert the trademark symbol. I'm just going to click on insert and close. So as you can see, it's quite large just because my font is quite large. So have a go, see if you can replace the words in the document I've sent you with the actual symbol. If you're having any difficulty at all, please send me an email and I'll talk you through it. I'll call you up and talk you through it, or I can send you a more detailed set of instructions. But I hope what I've sent you should allow you to be able to locate these and have a go at working on this on your own. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope it's helpful. And I will get in touch with you all later on in the week to see how you're getting on with the work that I've sent today. Okay, best wishes everyone. Stay safe. Bye.